Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a React project in VS Code. So we will open VS Code. So this is my VS Code. So here I will open terminal view. Terminal option is there. You can see here already project available. So I will use one command cd dot dot. I will create my project. So we will use one command npx. You can use npm also. Create React tab, my first my first tab, and simply enter here. So our project is creating. It will take some time. So my project is creating. Now project is created here. Now we will open our project my first step. So you can use cd. You can use the command cd my fir first step. Enter. So you can see this is our folder. My first step. We will open here also. File, open folder. My first step. Where is my first step? This is. Select and open this folder. Now our project is open. You can see src here in the app.js available. For package.json is available here. You will see app.js. Now we will run this project. Open, view and terminal. For run the project, you can use npm start. So our project is open. It's running in localhost 3000. So it's compiled successfully. So this video is for how to create a React project using VS Code. If this video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.